Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi bowls at home. First, let's talk about gathering your ingredients. You'll need fresh, sushi-grade fish, quality sushi rice, and your favorite crisp vegetables. Next, prepare your sushi rice by mixing in a simple seasoning of rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Finally, slice your fish and veggies into neat, manageable pieces, ready for assembly. Now, let's build your beautiful sushi bowl. Start by layering that perfectly seasoned sushi rice as the base. It's the heart of your bowl. Then, artfully arrange your sliced fish and vibrant vegetables on top, creating a visually appealing display. Don't forget to add some fantastic complementary toppings like creamy avocado, crisp cucumber, and a handful of edamame for extra texture and flavor.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. And on another note, if you love reading while enjoying your delicious sushi bowl, you'll adore the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
To truly perfect the flavors of your sushi bowl, it's all about the finishing touches. Drizzle your favorite sauces generously. Classic soy sauce or a zesty spicy mayonnaise are always great choices. Garnish your creation with toasted sesame seeds, delicate nori strips, or freshly chopped scallions for an extra pop. And for those who love a kick, consider adding a small dollop of pungent wasabi or some sweet pickled ginger. The beauty of sushi bowls is how easily you can customize them. Feel free to experiment with different proteins beyond fish, like cooked shrimp, grilled chicken, or even marinated tofu. Incorporate a variety of fresh vegetables for added crunch, vibrant color, and extra nutritional value. Remember, these bowls are best enjoyed fresh, so serve your delicious homemade sushi bowl immediately for the ultimate taste and texture experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.